We've been learning all about the ancient Maya.
They've been around since 800 AD.
Up to 1000 AD.
In England, that's when the Anglo-Saxons were around.
But where in the world did they live?
They lived in Central America.
They called this Mesoamerica.
Meso means middle.
This was made up of Mexico,
Guatemala, Honduras, and Belize.
Ancient Maya lived in different city-states all around Mesoamerica.
This means that they traded a lot.
Traded gin.
they traded fish.
They traded conch shells
And cacao beans. These also made chocolate. The city-states used to battle for power. These were recorded on ancient carvings.
The carvings were written in hieroglyphics.
This is my name in ancient Maya.
This is my name in ancient Maya, and some of the letters need to be combined.
This is my name in ancient Mayan.
Ancient Maya believed in over 150 gods and goddesses.
The job of the priest to see who needs worshipping. Sometimes this involves human sacrifices.
Played a war game where they couldn't use their hands or feet.
Scored by a ball in one of 6 rings.
Speaking of numbers, they were the first to knowledge 0.
This allowed them to accurately calculate the solar system and time.